Hello everyone, what's welcome back to my channel Sadhna Movies Reaction. So guys, today I'm gonna react on climax scene of Murari movie. But if you came here for the first time, hi, I'm Sadhna. I do reaction here on movie scenes. If you're interested watching this kind of video, please do consider subscribing. Also follow my Instagram, link will be in description box. But for now, let's start.
ఏమైంది బులారి ఏమైంది ఏంటి
టెంప్ట్ అయిపోతున్నాను.
నిన్ను
Overaction. I want happy ending. No.
నాకే తెలీదు. నాకే తెలీదు.
What?
అమ్మా! హా! హా! నో బెస్ట్. బుల్లిగా ఎంత పని చేసి నీకేం భయం వచ్చింది? కొంపకి సబరి చెప్పి నిజమేంటి? చాలు చాలు చాలు.
There are no subtitles, guys. Oh, oh God. Please, please.
నటరాజు
Oh. No, God.
ఏది ఎదురొచ్చినా నేను బతుకుతాను, బతికి తీరతాను, బతికి తీరతాను, బతికి తీరతాను, బతికి తీరతాను, అమ్మా! ఆ!
Oh.
శబరి చూస్తే కాలెట్టేస్తుంది. అమ్మో, అది చూడకూడదు.
వావ్! షిట్ యార్!
వచ్చేస్తున్నాను శబరి. పెట్రోల్ ఉందని కోటి కళ్ళు తిరిగి బొద్దులో పడిపోయి నీళ్ళు చల్లండి. నీకు కూడా చెప్పేశారా సత్పండు? అసలు జీపెక్కి చెప్పే బురదైన సూరి. నా ముద్దుల శబరి. ఓ, మడి చూసుకో, నాకేం కాలేదు. నీకేం చేయాల్సి వచ్చా?
వెంటనే మీరు మంగళ స్నానాలు చేయాలి, అమ్మవారికి ఊరేగింపు జరగాలి. పదండి
పదండి మరి పదండి. సత్పండు, నాకేం అవదంటున్నాను కదా, మంగళ స్నానం చేయాలంటున్నారు కదా, ఫస్ట్ నీళ్ళు రెడీ చేయి. పదా సెంట్ మావయ్య తీసుకెళ్ళు. డాక్టర్ తీసుకురా, తర్వాత చెప్తాను. గొడవ చెప్పు. డాక్టర్ నేనురా, నువ్వు వచ్చేటికి అంబులెన్స్ తీసుకుని ఇప్పుడు దగ్గర రావా? చాలా వచ్చాను.
అందరూ దూరంగా జరగండి, 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 జరగండి. ప్రదక్షిణం పూర్తి అయ్యేంత వరకు ఎవ్వరూ ఈయన్ని ముట్టుకోకూడదు, పట్టుకోకూడదు. అర్థమైందా? జరుగు, జరుగు. ఏమండి, ఏది ఏమైనా సరే అమ్మవారిని కింద పెట్టకూడదు, సరేనా? బయలుదేరండి.
రక్తాభిషేకం జరగాల్సింది.
మురారెక్కడ? నీకేమైంది? మురారెక్కడ గోపక్క? మురారి అమ్మారు ఊరేగింపుకి వెళ్ళాడు. ఊరేగింపేంటి? పుల్లపై మురారిని పొడి చేశాడు. ఏమిటా నువ్వు అనేది? ఆ తల్లిని తలుచుకో, ఆ అమ్మని తలుచుకో. అమ్మా, అమ్మా తల్లి, నా బిడ్డను కాపాడమ్మా, నా బిడ్డను కాపాడు.
Pooja, I think goddess should give mercy. Like, he didn't do anything wrong, right? Oh, what is happening, yaar? Save him. Please, 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 God, save him, please. She went there to do puja for him. She is doing puja for him. अरे! Oh. Sacrificed her life to save him.
కన్నయ్య
శబరి ఎక్కడ?
ఓం నరయ ప్రజా మే గోపాయ.
I knew it. I understood it. Oh, that's how. Sabri sacrificed her life. सो गाइस, जैसे कि हमने ये क्लाइमेक्स सीन भी देख लिया है मुरारी मूवी का, एंड इट वाज ट्रूली अ फैंटास्टिक मूवी. डेफिनेटली अ फैमिली वॉच, लाइक we can watch with family. But like, I was getting mini heart attacks in between, okay, when like when I realized that Murari is the one who can die. So I was thinking like might have sad ending. It may be possible because it's a curse, so he might also die and all. And I was just having goosebumps, and I don't want him to die actually, but yeah, I don't want Sabri also to die. But Sabri was a very great woman, and like she lived her life actually, but at last she sacrificed her life for him. And I think with that this curse also get ended maybe, or at least movie got ended and Murari is safe, thank God. I just love Mahesh Babu. I can't see him dying in movie also, okay? But yeah, oh my God, this was such a fantastic movie, and this is true. Like whenever you will do like any good karma, you like like anything related, like let's suppose you are buying some land or you are making a big villa, so obviously your future generation will enjoy that. True. If you are doing any pap or if you are doing something wrong, so that also your future generation have to pay na. So that is it. This is the mean of this movie. If he did some pass, like some karma, that karma passes, like that curse passes by the generations. Okay, and this is what was happening. And yeah, it was a fantastic movie. I'm telling you guys, it was such a fantastic movie. I just enjoyed this movie a lot. And क्लाइमेक्स में सच में मुरारी को कुछ होता ना होता, मैं जरूर मर जाती, पता है। लाइक मुरारी का एंडिंग तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा डर गई थी, but it was such a fantastic climax scene. I enjoyed this movie a lot. I enjoyed this movie thoroughly because I love the character of Murari in this movie. How he was like so much funny, everyone's favorite, teasing her, and like just a fun package, like fun kind of person, entertaining person, and like the best person of the family. He was that. So I just love Murari. I just love Murari movie. And yeah, with that, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed my reaction, comment. And yes, subtitles were not good at all, but I was understanding pretty good. Like there was not a single thing what I will be like, what is this? I was understanding every bit of it. And yeah, I enjoyed this movie a lot. What about you guys? Do you like my reaction? Comment down below. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you super soon in Kalki movie. Yay! From today only, when you are watching this climax scene, I mean like tomorrow you will watch. So from tomorrow only, Kalki first part will also come. From today, like I know you are watching this part tomorrow, so from today only, Kalki movie is coming. Introduction part will come today. And yeah, with that, let's end this video and meet. I will meet you guys in evening at 5 p.m. We will do a live session. We will talk one and one, like not one and one, but we will talk in live. Okay. And I'm super excited for live. Just come and join at 5 to 6. I will do just 1 hour long live. And yeah, with that, let's end this video. Please, guys, like this video, subscribe my channel. I will see you super soon in Kalki. Bye bye.